Where's Discord? Stacks a lot. First one here. Can you? I forgot how to work this. Let's see. What do we got? Jobs report. Glad to be back. What's going on? Ruben, Fun Zone, Destroyer. Yeah, we're going live for like half an hour, maybe 40 minutes because I gotta go to the library right now quick. I have a final. You had it on mute. So much has happened. Well, in the last couple of weeks, more than anything with AMC. We're finally breaking out of that zone. I'm curious to see what happens today. I was gonna buy, but I postponed it. I'm still not in yet. I was talking to this one guy yesterday. Surprisingly, he was in an AMC and GameStop, and he had a loan. He had a 50K loan where he bought AMC like a 12 average, and it went up to like 70, and he didn't sell. He's like, man, I should have sold. He's like, I'm still in. I have a low average price, and he told me he's like the shorts haven't covered, and I told him I think they did. But I don't have proof and he doesn't have proof. They still have libraries? Yes, they do. And I love it because you could book these like little study groups and it's just like you could lock yourself in there and there's no distractions or there's nobody else around. It's just you in there. So I've just been keeping my grades up. I made it a goal of mine to just have straight A's by the end of the semester, and I have straight A's right now. But for two of those classes, my grades are going to be affected by my final, so I have to do really well in the final. Careful with the margin accounts. Absolutely. That's what I told him. But he said he's 28 years old and he said he's like I really really thought this through. He's like it's not like I was like in my mid 30s with kids. He's like, I really thought this through. He's like, what's the worst that can happen? I move back in with my parents. I get a like a second job or something, and I'm glad it paid off for him, but it's very risky, especially with meme stocks. Oh, we're gonna go see Adam Aaron on Sunday, guys. Cause guess what? Yesterday night he tweeted he will be in LA. Let's pull up that tweet. Let's see, did he delete it? AMC stock is trending on Twitter. I forgot what Ortex, man. Let's go to Ortex. I haven't opened Ortex in a minute too. How much you want to bet it's gonna be the same numbers? Let me guess. 18.7% SI for AMC. Remember my guess, 18.7. That 12 to 70 run, he was up $300,000. He told me he was up $300,000 on AMC when it was at 70. And he told me yesterday, man, he's like, it sucks because I told him it's at 28. You know that, right? He's like, oh yeah, I know that. And he said, I should have sold it, man. I could have bought back in. He's like, I was up 300 grand. Get those A's, absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, I finished my UC application too. That took some time with the personal insight questions. If you guys are familiar with that, it's 4 questions, um, 350 words max of an answer, and every word counts, every sentence counts. It's so hard to put like a story up with 350 words. Like you have to be really concise with every sentence. So that took some time. What's going on, Keith? I miss you guys. I was so excited today. Again, like I don't even drink coffee anymore. So much has changed. Like I don't even drink coffee. You guys know how hooked I was onto like coffee? I gotta wake up and have a headache. Now I don't. I don't even drink coffee anymore. Smash the like button. Let's get those likes up. Nothing better than a stream. Nothing better than a Ralph stream at open. There we go, Destroyer. And I haven't even I loved watching Morant and I haven't been able to even just like sit down and watch one of his streams. He'd crack me up so much. I love the guy. I think the Cowboys won yesterday too, no? See, Adam Aaron's pull up his tweet. AMC's pulling back. That's one thing I was mentioned yesterday in the Discord. I said watch for these fake breakouts when we ran the 31. I said watch for a fake reversal because this is the exact same thing that happened like back in May when we had another like there was more volatility and stocks were falling. We had these crazy crazy dumps right at open, especially with Tesla. Man, you can't trust Tesla. You know why? Because Elon Musk has been selling like crazy. I'm telling you, this stock can dump really fast. There's these crazy, look at this, these crazy drops, and you don't know when he's selling, but they're out of the blue, out of nowhere, it just starts tanking so hard. Especially if you're day trading it, be careful. Sometimes it's better just to wait. Yeah, they won. All right, let's see. Adam Aaron tweeted, "Join me in LA this Sunday, December 5 at 7 p.m. I bought my ticket at AMC The Grove 14, hosting a special screen. I hope he's there. He better not be capping. I'm gonna be disappointed." Is Elon done selling? I thought he was. I thought he was like 2 weeks ago, but I believe I saw another filing a couple days ago. I'm in this Facebook group where there's just a bunch of Tesla investors and they share a lot of great info. A lot of the filings, or on Twitter as well. I follow a lot of these Tesla Twitter pages. That you guys, if you guys follow Elon Musk, he's always replying to these Tesla pages. Like they're hardcore Tesla investors. They've been investing for Tesla for years. I'm pretty sure he respects it as well. Tesla's a stock that I'm always gonna be playing around with. Destroyer. I've been following that stock for so long. You understand the movements, and there is no bet. It's like Tesla's was just Tesla, you know, one of the best stocks in the market. Cowboys beat the Saints, but the Saints beat themselves. What do you mean by that? Wait, let's see. Yeah, I got my ticket, so Adam Aaron better be there. What are some good questions I should ask Adam Aaron on Sunday, if I do if I do manage to run into him? Oh, the quarterback, he sucked. Some good questions from Mr. Adam Aaron. Let's log into Ortex. EMC down 1%. Jobs report today, no, as well. Let's see. It's Friday. 4 interceptions. See what's trending on Twitter. Oh, that's a good question. I thought a question geared towards like selling, but that's very specific. Ask him why insiders keep selling stock. I'm gonna write that down. I think I'm gonna get jumped, honestly. There's gonna be so many apes. I saw a lot of apes reply to his tweet. Oh, see you there, Adam, on Sunday, blah blah blah. Boy, they're gonna get it. Adam Myers gonna get it. Ask him why do AMC insiders keep. Speaking about selling, you guys see like those losses the YouTubers have posted on their AMC stock? You guys know I'm very skeptical about that, and one of the my little theories, which I've been saying for months and months and months, was that they sold at the run up, 60, $70. I'm a believer that these AMC YouTubers sold at the run up, and I've been saying that for months. It just makes so much sense to me. Like the transparency of it, it was just so sus, you know? And now I think a lot of people realize that. Like they're showing 6 month. Of course it's gonna be red. What happened with AMC in 6 months? It got cut in half. That's what happened. You're gonna be red, of course. Why not show the year to date profit? Why not? Why not the year? Why the 6 month profit? He's gonna dilute, or is he gonna bring back the 500 million? Hopefully he's there, man. I don't have a feeling. My gut is telling me Adam Aaron is not gonna be there. He's probably gonna be there for a couple minutes and then he's gonna leave. Oh, what's going on, Kyoto? I'm pretty sure YouTube said screw this, and they're not gonna send like notifications. YouTube's been very, very weird as well. You guys see they removed the dislike button? How soft are we like to remove the dislike button? Leave it up. That's one thing I don't understand. Let's go to GameStop. What is it doing? 178. Tesla 1075. Yeah, no notification. I figured he might. Man, should I stream it? Should I live stream Sunday? How do I do that? Oh yeah, I did that for Texas for GameStop, the annual shareholder meeting. I managed to stream on my phone. Or should I just make it into a video? Oh, can I zoom into the current candles? I'm sorry about that. See, I forgot how to do the stream stuff. There we go. Let's pull up the Christmas tree. The times and sales. Oh, it's still there for you, Stacks? All right, let's check Ortex, AMC. My guess was 18.7. Let's see what the SI is. 17.5. So it's still around the 17 range. It has not changed at all. Go to GameStops. 11.22. Speaking about the SI, I saw a post the other day. I think it was on Finviz. But yeah, Finviz is where you find data like Yahoo Finance for like short interest volume. And I think the short interest for GameStop was showing like 200%. But I don't know where they get their information from. Is it FINRA website? Is it FINRA? Morningstar? Because I know they update 2 times a month. AMC's pulling back. 27 was the low. Actually, I think it was like 26.80. 26.85. Maybe we test that today. I don't know. I think they just don't show the number of dislikes, maybe. They don't. It just shows the likes. That's not good. Let's see. Where's the jobs report? Where are the numbers at? 210,000 jobs, new jobs in November, even though the businesses took more aggressive steps to hiring people. Economists had predicted 500 and what a miss. 573,000 new jobs. So this is a nice little excuse for the Fed to hold back on their tapering, huh? What do you guys think? You guys think AMC revisits the $27 mark today? Looks like we're headed there now. Where are the buyers gonna come in? 29, 30? I'm really like nervous for this calculus class next semester. Because it's a winter class, so it's gonna go by so fast. Anybody ever take calc? One, two? Let's see. Let me pull up emails really quick. 29. Not bad. Calc is not fun. Oh man, I've been trying to prepare for it. Like I've been yesterday and one day I memorized. You guys know the unit circle, sine, cosine, tangent. It's like pi over two, pi 3 pi over 2, and then it's pi over 3 pi over 6. All the units. I tried to memorize that in one day and I managed to do it. I was like, what? It's not. If Spy keeps going down, AMC would touch 27. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. Morantz, did you? I swear I was like tripping out the other day because I was at the gym, right? And like I checked my Discord and it said I had a missed call from Morantz. I was like, wait, what? And I called back and I didn't get any answer. I was like, wait, is Discord fooling me? Morantz. Adamir is going to dilute 3 times. Morantz, you're out here in SoCal. What do you think about Adamir being here in LA on Sunday? Can I check Boeing? Absolutely. Speaking of Boeing, have you guys seen Alibaba? Adamir is going to dilute on the premise he needs money for popcorn soda bucket. The NFT, did you guys get your NFTs though? Apparently they sold out. And that guy I was talking, his name was Alex. I was talking to yesterday about AMC. He was like thrilled to get his NFT as well. I'm like, you could resell that. He's like, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, Boeing, you said. 198. This looks like Alibaba's pattern. Look at this. Oh, you guys remember we were gonna play Alibaba? Where was it? It was like right around here. Yeah, it was right here. Around the 150 bounce. We never did, and it bounced to 182. And then I was like, it's gonna come back down because look at this trend line it's been honoring for so long, this entire year. Now it's at 111. Just wait for the 100. What if it cracks 100? It's gonna get real ugly. Let's set an alert. He says it's gross. I got. Oh, you got the Spider-Man NFT. Honestly, when does that movie even come out? I have not been keeping up with any of that stuff. I don't even like the Spider-Man. Spider-Man No Way Home, I think that's what it's called. December 16, I'm assuming. Are you gonna resell yours, KO bets? Your NFT? Oh, speaking of Tesla, do you guys see what Elon Musk dropped? Man, I should have bought it. Or he dropped the whistles, right? The Cybertruck whistle. I'll pull it up for you guys. It was like 50 bucks. And I immediately knew these things were gonna resell for, I don't know. I saw them on eBay reselling for like 500 bucks. People were putting them up for like 420 just for the memes. I was like, I'm gonna put mine up for 420. But yesterday he dropped like this Cybertruck ATV, which was going for like $2,000. It was like 1,900, and I thought to myself like it was around this time. He dropped it like at 5 a.m. and I woke up like at 6 and I saw it and I'm like it's probably sold out. I went on the website, there were still some. I'm like, should I buy one just to resell it? And I'm like, no, he's probably gonna restock it. And I saw somebody on Twitter talking about them restocking it, so I was like, I'm not gonna buy it. And then it sold out. And then I went on eBay last night. They were going for $5,000. Fail. That was such an easy flip. Yeah, it was 1,900, the Tesla ATV. I got four of the whistles though, but I only got charged for three. Yeah, I haven't ate Arby's since that day. Since that day, I ate it on stream, and I don't think I'll ever eat it again. Stacks a lot. Oh, and by the way, my Chipotle challenge, I haven't really ate Chipotle either. I think those 94 days got me disgusted. Oh, there we go. AMC's coming down. Kyoto said if Spike keeps coming down, AMC's gonna touch, and I believe that AMC moves like 4 times faster or drops 4 times faster than the entire market. And I don't know how much that relates to like the betas and stuff. Damn, I thought Rob got kidnapped or something. Haven't seen him live in forever. I think it's since October was like one of the last streams. It showed me on here October 11, I believe. I'm not sure. 2950s. How many of you guys are still holding AMC? I need to know that. Are still holding. Are still holding. Let's see. It's gonna touch 26 bucks. Business calculus one, structural physics, wood, concrete, steel, civil engineering. I don't remember anything, and I don't remember anything. Ruben, I think I'm yeah, business calculus. I think that's at UC's though. GameStop got another that's coming down as well. Moving in accordance with AMC. Yesterday's low for GameStop was 173. AMC's was 27. Oh, Tesla out of below. Oh, I also got sick, guys. I got sick. Rivian, I got like a cold. It was like a month ago, and the cough is still kind of here. I used to have asthma when I was little. I used to have bad asthma, and then it went away out of nowhere, like nothing. It went away. So that's kind of scary. Pam says no. I got a dozen left. Oh my God, the market's coming down. Talk about a random drop in Elon Musk selling. This is what I'm telling you guys. Sometimes it's not. It's just best, chill back. Let's see. Rivian Tesla was dropping 105. Anybody fall for this hype when it went to what? What did it go to? Like 179. Yeah. Look at this. It's about to come down. What did Kramer? What did Kramer? Kramer probably said that this is going to 200, 300 bucks. Maybe that's why it's dropping. Stephanie? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, Steph, I think that was her name. I'm not sure who Steph is. Diamond handing my two AMC shares I bought for the lady on Rance's stream. I forgot her name. Down to my last 80 shares. GameStop getting shorter. They're using those shares. I'm holding Jamie only. Sorry, AMC dudes. I couldn't even buy it at 27 bucks 2 days ago. I know I waited 2 more rounds. I'm like, this is gonna be an easy bounce, and I waited. And then Robert Brown said, just wait till Friday. Like, I'll just probably wait. I haven't seen it destroy. Basically, make it shorting legal. I haven't. If you could link that on the Discord, that'd be dope. Oh yeah, did it? Isn't Didi getting delisted today? Kramer recommended Chinese Uber Didi in June, minus 56%. Yeah, he did. Oh, there we go. A tweet 2 minutes ago. Didi shares reverse gains, sinking sharply on plan to do this from the U.S. I got this alert last night. Yeah, AMC's probably gonna close at 30 bucks. I don't think we'll see a crazy drop like we wanted, like down here. Like as much as I want to buy down here, it's gonna take some real selling pressure to bring it down like this. But if you take a look and compare to yesterday's chart, it dropped around the same price. Look at this. Yesterday we dropped at 6:58 a.m. at 30.72. Look at the timer now. 6:53 a.m. at 30.72. Interesting. Like 20 minutes apart. What was that alert? I didn't see that. Affirm. I forgot about that stock. Affirm was another stock that I was kind of playing around with, but it hasn't been doing too well. It was doing well. When was it? This no, I didn't trade it this earnings. I was trading it before. When it was up here. Yeah. And then it just started flopping back down. But this one got massively pumped when it was at 40. Got that Amazon deal. Buy now, pay later. Tesla, come down, baby. That's crazy what's going on with the foreign stocks. DD, Baba's another one. The Omicron. Affirm again. How many others do I have on this bad boy? Whatever happened with that one review, with the review dork? I haven't heard about him in a minute. Let's see, cause the last time I heard about review dork was when he said he sold a, or he didn't sell, right? I think he said to sell AMC and buy it lower, so you could have more shares technically, and you help the movement, you help the squeeze, right? There you go, guys. Kyoto called it. If SPY drops hard and it's Friday, keep that in mind. It's December, keep that in mind. AMC 28. Come on, Tesla. Why are you holding up so strong? It's probably Elon's new haircut. Did he get a new haircut? Oh, I'm seeing your pictures. That stacks a lot. Yeah, that's all red. Well, UPST is green. Roblox red. GameStop red. Sam red. Didn't Roblox have like some killer earnings not so long ago? What happened with that? This is what I'm talking about. The earnings, yeah. Well, it's still above 100. I'm sure you had Roblox, what, 60 bucks? Stacks a lot. Jamie Holding. Oh, what's his name, Rance? Share my son to his campy site. I want to see it for 3 days. Give him a shout out, please. By the way, it's cold, 48 degrees. Damn, I think 70 degrees is cold. Imagine that. I bought UPST at 110 and sold at 120. 500K shares borrowed today for GameStop to short. Where do you guys get that? Stonks, Stonko tracker? Troy. Shout out to Troy, baby. My daughter got it at 79, and I have a handful at 122. 79, not bad. No, I feel like my throat is like closing on me. 250 days without snow in Denver. Damn. 500k shares is borrowed from Interactive Brokers. They spam me so hard in my emails, I had to like block them. It's so annoying. Interactive Brokers, I swear, they're annoying. Like every like 20 minutes, I was getting an email from them. I'm like, I don't even have an account with you guys. The question is Morantz going live today? I see Matt Kors is live. What's going on with him? Is he doing well? I'm curious about what the whole AMC, like the YouTuber community, like how have they been? What have they been up to? The Lou guy, um, Review Dork, Trey. I guess like I think about it, I'm like, man, it's really about to be 1 year. Like I bought AMC like a year ago in December. Like that's so insane to think that it's already been 1 year. Blows my mind. For 2 hours, but I've been very, very, very busy with school, man. It's like crazy busy. Like I want to get all A's and I have all A's, but I just want to keep the A's, you know? And it's finals. Semester's gonna be over. There we go. Tesla's dropping. Let's go back to AMC. Oh man, it had a nice little bounce. I've heard about that guy, the Dave guy. He's the one who got Matt grilled by his own subs. 1055. It broke yesterday's low. Let's see what's the next low. 970. I'll say 1,000. We'll call it at 1,000. Is Elon still selling or what? Oh man, I go away from Tesla and it breaks a new low. 1053. Oh, he went to New York. I'll probably have to watch that later. But what I want to see if that they're still holding to show the like, why not just show it? Like, why are they showing losses? And the way they phrased it is just so bad, man. Like, I feel bad. Like, oh, I made $1 million on calls, but I'm still holding. I'm still down a bit. It's like there's people out there invested with like they can't afford to lose it, you know? They can't. Some people don't have like this YouTube hustle, you know? Making half a million bucks on YouTube. Like they don't have that. They're invested with their life savings. They can't lose. People sold their car to buy AMC, you know? Yeah, that's the guy. That's the guy. David is the guy who said AMC will never screw you straight to straight to Matt's face, and Matt said nothing back. Yeah, I was watching that. He got Matt grilled by his own subs. I mean, I think he was just being respectful, you know. But at the end of the day, man, if your YouTube channel is based on a narrative and this guy's there telling you that, it's like you want to like tell him like your argument, not just sit there. I've seen that. Yeah, I saw tweets that people were selling their cars to buy more AMC shares. What? Loss of 660k the other day on Twitter. I don't understand that either, though. Here goes Tesla. Crack 1050, baby. It's like, of course they're gonna be down, right? If it's your P&L is of the last 6 months, you're gonna be red. Why? Because if you're holding AMC primarily, then AMC, obviously, you guys know what happened the last 6 months. It got cut in half. It was at 70, now it's at 29, $30. It's gonna be red. But why not show the year? I'm not the best at math, but I do remember that I think some of those guys had like 4,000 shares, and the math isn't making sense. Like the numbers aren't adding up. There it is, 150 crack, stop loss is going off. Elon Musk selling. I really don't know. And this is exactly what we mentioned earlier. Tesla can drop like this. It's been doing this repeatedly. That's why I've just been kind of iffy about it. I told you, show me the year-to-date profits, and you'll see those guys are not sincere. I've been saying that. It's really weird. It's really odd. Why not just show the amount of shares you're holding and don't bring this lawyer BS. There's so many YouTubers out there that are much bigger, have much bigger audiences, have much bigger portfolios that are playing with more shares that are just being transparent. They're open about it. Yeah, I saw that, Joski's. People were selling cars for to buy more shares. I'm like, oh man. And look at this. Gary Black, a much respected Tesla investor. He has the same thought pattern. Look, a minute ago he tweeted, as Tesla again gets knocked out around the open. Parentheses, more Elon selling? That's the thing I'm asking myself. Is this Elon selling? We don't know. That's why you just can't trust it until he's done. Until he's done selling. Because there was this other day where Tesla dropped like 100 points and like this, the blink of an eye, like nothing. If you bought in and it fell, man, you lost. 10, 20 shares, man. Great bounce back by the VIX. I saw the VIX was above 30. I was getting blown up. 29.65. Jeez. Every time I hear about the VIX, I always think about 50 Cent, the rapper, the artist, because he made like 100 million on VIX calls when the Rona hit in 2020. He had a lot of calls, and he was like popping at the time. He was all over Twitter. I'm not sure if you guys ever heard about that. Every time I hear the VIX, I think of 50 Cent. Asked the hedge fund for 10 more shares. She said, find a new wife. Maybe it's time to start selling our vehicles, guys. Maybe. Market's coming down. Let's take a look at the heat map. This ain't the heat map. Where is it at? Market watch. Not looking too bad. I'm playing the VIX. VIX calls, VIX calls. No, I don't do options, man. And you can't obviously you can't buy shares on the VIX. All right, I keep having the sticky hair on my face, guys. I'm going to Adam Aron's little showing on Sunday here in LA. And I'm gonna ask him, why do AMC insiders keep selling AMC? Keep selling stock. That's gonna be the speaking about the VIX, we got a new tweet by Mr. Walter Bloomberg 15 seconds ago. VIX last up 1.68 points at 29.63. I wouldn't be surprised to see it above 30 again. Apple down, I would assume 0.5%. 162. This one's also been getting battered. I believe it hit 170. Yeah, came back down to 157. You guys remember when we were gonna short this here at 160? I told you guys if it goes 160, I'm gonna short it and never hit 160, and it came down to 140. This would have been a great play. Of course, in hindsight, if you would have held, not covered your shorts on it, you would have got wrecked. It went to 170. Apple's just one of those stocks you just want to hold in your long term. I don't see the point of it, like of day trading it, honestly. My Home Depot is still rocking. Another great long term play. Which one was the other one? Costco. Yeah, not bad. Let's say an alert here on Tesla. Maybe Tesla goes to 1,000 today. Honestly, we don't know. AMC could come down to 27, 26. AMC is notoriously known for dropping hard. When it drops, it drops. Let's see. Let's go to Twitter, see what's trending. Joel Osteen. Isn't that pastor guy? Plumber finds money behind loose toilet and wall at Joel Osteen's Lakewood megachurch. What? This guy's been. Didn't this guy get like flagged for buying a Lambo or something like that? There we go. AMC Kraken. Trevor Noah. Who is that? I don't know that guy. Oh, it's that guy. Breaking news: the Denver Broncos are moving closer to being sold. That's football. AMC stock is trending. AMC strong. Let's see what these AMC people are saying. Let me hear the narrative. Well, there it is. AMC first ever NFT. I'm not selling. Tagging the SEC. Same old, same old. Moran sell her car. Gap and fill on the gap's about to fill here on GameStop. 170 new low on the day. What gap? I'm assuming. I'm assuming this gap here. October. Selling my car on Craigslist. AMC 2850. I don't know, man. Things could start selling off really hard. Let's see. Let's put alert on SPY. I love having alerts, especially when I go about my day. I don't have to be watching my phone. I'll just be glued on my phone. Look at this. AMC Tesla alerts. You guys can't hear the alerts, right? All right, let me see. I think you guys can hear them now. 1040. Yeah, that was a while back. Yeah, I assume it's that one in October. 1038. Bring it down to 1,000. Let me check something really quick. Just make sure I have that study group room booked. Okay, perfect. GameStop 169. Hmm. I'm so tempted to buy Tesla right now. I'm tempted. Oh man. All right, let's watch AMC. Is it gonna crater? Is it gonna bounce? Spy at or below. There we go. We got another spy alert. I'm pretty sure you guys heard that one. That alert. The little ding noise. 453. What was the low the other day? 449? By the way, I think 449 places us under the DMA. We're right above the DMA. So usually from the technical analysis books I read, I think primarily the one by Paul Tudor Jones, very well successful, respected trader on Wall Street. One of his biggest strategies is the DMA. Like as soon as stocks start to cross under the DMA, he would short them, and that was a successful strategy. So I think that's where the whole notion of the 50 DMA is important comes. Like you short it as soon as it starts coming down. But take this case for example, September 17, it came under, right? Say he shorted like at 440, it came down to 429. Pretty sure he would have covered some, or maybe on the way back up. And then again, hmm, interesting. They better have a security at that movie theater. Adam Aaron is more famous than Nicole Kidman. That's what I'm saying. I think he's gonna pull up, greet people, and just leave. He's not gonna sit there to watch the movie. Absolutely not. I'm not gonna. Honestly, I'm not gonna be there to watch the movie. I don't even know what movie it is. I don't want to be there. 28, 23. We're only $1.20 away from the low yesterday. Let's see Rivian. What is that at? Almost coming under 100. Whatever happened with the Trump stock? DWAC. Coming back down. For some random feeling, I feel like this one's gonna be another one that's gonna be popping in the next couple weeks. Maybe January or February. It'll have another ramp back up to like 100. This one might not be a bad play. Alrighty, looks like we're finding some support here on Tesla at 145. Usually the first good sign of a reversal is some strong support near the lows. AMC as well. I don't know if they're gonna crack. So those are the plays that I'm watching. I don't know if I'd get the chance to buy Tesla though. For some reason, the Wi-Fi at my school, I can't log into my Thinkorswim sometimes. Like it blocks it. I guess they don't want people trading stocks or something. Meta falls 20%. Oh yeah, with crypto. What about crypto? What's Bitcoin now? Let's go. Go check. 56.1. Who has crypto here? They're still holding their crypto. Dogecoin, Shiba. Oh yeah, what the Dorsey situation? Stepped down on Twitter. That's funny. He stepped down and the stock shot up right here. Imagine that. I think that's the same thing that happened with Jeff Bezos and Amazon. Turn the Wi-Fi off your phone. Yeah, when I turn off the Wi-Fi, it lets me go, obviously, but I don't have the best service in there. Let's see, is it gonna crack? So yesterday, 650. All right, 7. We'll call it 7. And the bounce at 7. So an hour of pain. Yesterday there was an hour of pain of AMC just crashing. Today the crash started at 6:30. So if that's the case, in 15 minutes we should see a reversal. If it plays out like yesterday. And it looks like we're trying to find support here at the same price, around the same level as 28. All right, I'm telling you, Tesla looks like it wants to shoot up to like 1060. Right here, it looks like it wants to bounce. But of course, you have to watch the Nasdaq. Let's go Nasdaq. Let's see what is it doing? Same thing. It's following Nasdaq. Let's take a look at SPY. You know what? AMC at or below, it's fallen. What is like 5 shares, like 5 grand? Little fake out. Crypto, but I don't do the meme. Be careful with the meme coins. By the way, did you guys see that Squid Game coin? Did you guys see that Squid Game coin? So we bought 5 shares of Tesla here. Let's see if my prediction is right and it shoots up to like 1060. If we have a nice little bounce. If not, then it's gonna be painful. Did you guys see that Squid Game coin? That got a nasty, nasty rug pull. Right. Let's see. Up 13 bucks. Let's see. Do we add more? Nice little bounce, baby. Ethereum and LRC. I don't know what LRC is. Or Litecoin? No, that's LTC. Tick by tick. Elon Musk, please don't dump it. Don't be an Adam Aaron. Give me my tendies, baby. There we go. 53. Oh, is that good? What do we got? 47. It's gonna dump back right down. 30 bucks. We'll take it. 30 buck profit on the day. Screw it. We'll take that. That's called a nice little bounce right there. If it hits 60, I'm gonna punch my screen. Stop going up. Drop. 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 There we go. Pull back, baby. Ralph, Squid Game was like, yeah, it was like a month ago. It was like a month ago. I saw it on Twitter. There was this one streamer from Twitch, right? He's I guess he's like a crypto streamer, and he was live streaming the ICO, the initial coin offering, and you see his reaction when it just tanks like right away. I don't know. That's where I saw it, and then it went on all these crypto pages on Twitter. Everyone was talking about it, and I'm like, that's why I don't like trading these meme crap coins. Let's see, VIX. Alrighty, is Tesla gonna drop now that we sold it, or is it gonna keep on rallying and give me more FOMO? That doesn't matter because AMC might be bouncing. Indeed, it is. I think the entire market bounced right now. But be careful with these bounces because things can reverse real quick. Alright, let's see. Maybe it comes back down to 140 and we get in again. What time is it? 7:18. Or maybe I should just get going then. End it here. End it on a good note. Oh man! Tesla, why do you do this to me? 157. See how it's getting volatile? Look at that volume command. That's what I like. 156, 156 or 1056. GameStop's also bouncing. AMC is bouncing. Rivian should be bouncing because it follows Tesla pretty closely. 104 Neo. Neo's been getting wrecked. Anybody have Neo? This one dumped back down to 30. Weeks behind. I'm just catching up. I'm just reminding you guys. I had already known about this Squid Game right when it came out, like the dump. But I don't do cryptos unless it's an AMC crypto. Maybe I'll buy that. Honestly, yeah, I gotta go study Sax a lot. I have to go study. I'm telling you, it's finals, man. Um. Oh, LOL, Ralph, you buy and sell in like 10 seconds. You gotta just capitalize on the opportunity. Like you have to see how the right side of the chart is gonna play out. Like when it was here at 147. You take the Nasdaq into consideration. You take the fact that Tesla has stopped falling, it's holding some support, and maybe it can pop above EMA after it being oversold right here, you know? And you just play this little bounce. That's it. If not, you just sell your loss when it comes down to like 143, and if it comes down around here, we got it at 147, right around here. And if it comes to like 145, 144, you cut your loss and you just say, screw this, taking the L. How did you ever hold AMC so long? That's what I asked myself. I don't know how I did it. I really don't. It was like this whole different strategy for me. And it was bothering me for like towards April, March, April, it bothered me. I was like this isn't my strategy. Like what am I doing? VIX is pumping. I'm gonna have an alert on VIX actually. Do I have some alerts? Who's playing the VIX calls? That's what I want to know. I'm pretty sure they're expensive though. Honestly, it's never a bad idea to play the VIX when it's like quiet, when no one's buying it down here, like 15, 16. It's been having this consistent pattern of it just pulling down, it shoots up, pulls back. Look at this. It's not a bad idea to have like these crazy VIX calls. Because you never know what happens. Omicron. Something happens, God forbid, a Biden. We don't know. Meta. I keep forgetting. I think Meta's like a crypto. It's actually Facebook. Meta platforms. I'm so used to just like, oh, Facebook, FB. I don't know, this meta is down 20% from the September peak. 384, 305. Tesla's coming back down to where we bought earlier, 147. Does that mean the Nasdaq's dropping back down too? Look how closely it is tick by tick to the Nasdaq. SPY as well? Kinda. Oh, my phone's gonna die. My stupid iPhone 13, I'm telling you. First week, amazing battery life. It hasn't even been like 2 months that I've gotten the phone that it's already been acting up. Like, what? Maybe I think it's time to make the switch to an Android. Did he seriously quit gambling? Who? What's going on, Rich Jacob? Good to see you too. How are you doing with your options? I know the last time we talked, you were learning more about options. Is that what you mean, Kyoto? Gambling on options? I think Phoenix got burned playing options. Don't know. Phoenix, yes. What happened with Phoenix? He's not here. No, but he's still in the Discord though. Phoenix still speaks up in the Discord. My son is showing up to this camping trip with the cell phone chargers, a fire pit, logs, flashlights, cash. Like this isn't camping. That's something I've been wanting to do, go camping. I've never gone camping. His Rivian short play really blew up Phoenix. What was his thesis on Rivian though? Like his sh short play. I mean, it's down now. Unless he shorted it when it came up, when it IPO'd, I would assume. All right, guys, we're gonna end it here. I appreciate those of you who tuned in. It was a nice little comeback. My next stream, finals next week, so I might squeeze like a stream. What do we got next week? 6, 7. Unless there's like something crazy going on midday in the markets or early morning, or we have, I don't know, earnings. He shorted it the day. No way. Why would he do that? Damn. That's a very risky play, by the way. Like the EV hype on Rivian was insane. Take her off camping. I would watch that stream. Then yeah, I might squeeze a stream next. What's today? Friday. Yeah, next week, throughout the week for sure. I'm gonna finish my finals. I'll probably try to squeeze another video as well. Obviously, the Sunday video, guys. We're gonna go meet Mr. Legendary Elon Musk wannabe. I'm just playing. I think that's mean. Mr. Adam Aaron. On Sunday, we're gonna be asking him some questions. Hopefully, I run into him, but I really doubt that I'll actually get to speak to him. Hopefully, no AMC ape wants to fight me. Been going to the gym, baby. Bring it on. I don't care. Options have been pretty good lately. I had one bad play, Roku, but it's a March expiry, so I'm holding on for a little bit longer with that one. Scored big on BBW and GameStop. There we go. And I think I need to learn more about options and not be scared of them and understand how they work because I think they're very, very important, especially as a trader. Understand how options affect the market. I appreciate that, Pam. So look at this. Tesla's coming down. Look at this. That was such a little nice play that we got here. If it actually comes, put another alert. Let's go to AMC really quick. Coming back down as well. Be careful with these fake bounces, guys, especially on days like today or weeks like we have this week. These bounces can be fake really quick. It could come back down. That's one of the signs of weakness in the market. When you have a dip into the close, that's a very, very big red flag for me. Very, very big red flag. When stocks close at new lows into the market close, that's bad. Or vice versa, when they're ripping into new highs into close or above their opening price or their morning high into close, that's a very good sign. I'll take Ralph paintballing for. I've never paintballed any or none of that. Paintball camping. I think you know what? I think Morantz wants to take me ice skating. That's what he really wants to take me, but he doesn't want to say it. All right, we'll leave you at that. GameStop at 170, AMC at 28.47, Tesla at 10.47. Um, I appreciate you, Morantz. If you hop in on later, I'm definitely gonna tune in. Or I'll do Pandora's box of options, day trade Tesla. Oh my God, that sounds like so painful. Like so, it's like a roller coaster, like you said, adrenaline rush. Tesla options. First of all, they're probably expensive. It's probably 3, 4 grand for one call, I would assume. JK don't do it. Yeah, I would never do options. I got wrecked before. Maybe little by little get back and learn how to walk again, right? Learn how to walk before you run. I'll plug in the free Discord. If I know how to do that. Let's see. It's not here it's not on my thing anymore. Is it this one? Oh, I can't do that. Let's see. I have to go to Discord. Yeah, we're hearing on Discord. I'll plug it in for those of you who aren't in there. And with that being said, I will see you guys next week. Hopefully, you guys have an amazing rest of your Friday. Beautiful weekend. Stay safe, stay well, stay healthy, stay blessed. And remember, the whole world could be against you, but you got God on your side. Ralph out. Peace out, everybody. I'll see you guys.